All right, welcome back, y'all. So the next tip in this series is gonna be how to check your oil. Not change your oil, but check your oil. If you want to change it, you might be a couple steps ahead of this. So all you gotta do is pop the hood, which don't mind the no carpet. It's a project car. But anyway, all you need is paper towel. So as long as you have the car somewhere level and flat, you'll look for the oil dipstick, which on most cars is usually yellow. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty much the same in every car. So once you find that, you'll pull this up. Now, this car has been sitting for a minute, so it's pretty level. But if it hasn't, you'll want to use that paper towel and wipe this off and then put it back in there. But once you pull it out the second time, you'll see it should be a couple holes and some cross lines in there, which below this bottom hole says add. So if it's down there, you're low on oil. Top hole says max, so that's as full as you need to be. So what you want is to make sure your oil is somewhere in the middle. Now go ahead and wipe this off a little bit so you can see what it's supposed to look like dry, so you can tell the difference. So if your car's been running for a while, you'll clean this off. So this is bone dry. Now let's put this back in. And we'll act like we haven't already checked it. But once you pull it out this second time, you should see exactly where your oil level is. So, all right. Now, if you happen to check your oil and it is low, on your oil cap, it should tell you exactly what oil you need. So all you do is twist this off. It's real helpful if you have a funnel. So you'll put your funnel in there and get whatever oil that matches what your car says you need. And you pour a little bit in here at a time. Usually you might not need a whole quart if it's just a little bit low, but you know, just pour a little bit, wait a second, pull this out, wipe it off, and double check, see where you're at, and do that until you're good. So just some small stuff to know just in case you don't want to have a car that's running with no oil for too long. You'll end up locking your motor up, which is not what you need. So that's pretty much it for that. And as far as changing your oil, it's a little bit more advanced, so maybe that'll be a video at another time if you feel like, you know, y'all want to see that video. But that's it for this one, so stay tuned for the next one.